Good morning and welcome. I'm very happy to note that a large number of people are joining us for this mantra marathon. it, it really matters when we have large numbers for the success of this. Now, before I give you the mantra, let me tell you the why about it and what we are going to do. Firstly, let me uh, clarify that this is not a religious ritual. We are not propagating any religion here. What we are doing is using mass consciousness. Consciousness is a very funny thing and it can do wonders. We are using mass consciousness to collectively focus on a single point. In this case, in our case, we are going to focus on the positive energy that is latent in the universe, in the solar system. We have to activate this latent energy in our solar system. Now, every solar system is a kind of a microcosm in the universe. And the Supreme Soul divides itself into three functional aspects. That is the creative aspect, the preservative aspect, and the destructive aspect. Now, when we say destructive, it doesn't mean destroying as in finishing things off, but destruction of ignorance is also a very important aspect of the Trinity. This collective chanting that we are doing, we are trying to provoke the preservative aspect, which is the depository of positive energy in the universe, or at least in our solar system. Now, in our Indian scriptures and Hindu mythology, they've given it names. They call it Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. That's the creator, preserver, and the destroyer. But essentially, they are energies of the Supreme Soul. And yes, they do devolve later into more gross states and have qualities and some of them also sometimes they take human form. That is why you have the 10 avatars of Vishnu. Now, what we are trying to do is provoke this Vishnu energy and put it into action so that the positive energy that is released from the preserver can help us to fight this the death and destruction and disruption that has chaos that has been caused by this pandemic. We really need divine intervention right now, because no matter how it works, whether it works in the way of new medical sciences or in whatever way, we need relief and we need help. And the funny thing about the universe is, till you knock, there is no answer. So we are knocking big time on the doors of divinity to get some help so that this pandemic, this virus can recede and we can get some relief. Now, I have chosen a mantra which is a Krishna mantra because Krishna and Vishnu are the same. I mean, it's the same energy. Krishna was just one avatar of Vishnu. But it will be easier for people to identify and connect with Krishna because that is a form and that's always easier to identify with. So I've taken this mantra from the Gopal Purvatapenyu Upanishad, and it is a Panchapadi mantra, meaning it has 5 feet. The 5 feet correspond to the 5 elements. While you're doing this mantra, try to visualize any form of Krishna. If you can't do that, try to visualize Vishnu in any form. Because it's very difficult to visualize energy, pure energy. If you can't do any of that, uh, along with your visualization or without your visualization, try to intend very strongly that a tsunami of positive energy is released from the preserver, that is Vishnu, Bhagwan or Narayana. And it is coming towards Earth, it's enveloping our planet, and it is driving away this negative force which is represented by the coronavirus and which is causing so much havoc in our lives. So try and keep this visualization or this intention continuously while you are chanting, as far as possible. We will be chanting this mantra for 8 weeks, that's 8 Sundays from 11 to 1. Please try and sit right through the 2 hours, because it is the collective the collective effort which will give us success. And try and get more and more people to join in every Sunday, so that we can really activate the positive energy of Vishnu. Of course, my teachers will lead you through it, and personally I will also try and come on Facebook during the chanting, provided the internet allows it. And let's try and make this success. We owe it to us, we owe it to humanity. Let's make this little effort which can have major consequences. I'll give you the mantra now. It has 5 syllables. The first is Klim Krishnaya. It is Klim Krishnaya. Please don't pronounce it Klim. K-L-E-M is a different Bij mantra. Here we are pronouncing Klim. Klim Krishnaya, Govindaya, Gopijana, Vallabhaya, Swaha. I'll repeat it a few times so that you can take note. Of course, it'll come to you on your other social media, which you can read and follow. Klim Krishnaya, Govindaya, Gopijana, Vallabhaya, Swaha. Klim Krishnaya, Govindaya, Gopijana, Vallabhaya, Swaha. Please chant this together from 11 to 1 every Sunday for the next 8 Sundays. Let's see if we can defeat the virus. Thank you. Thank you for participating.